Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use hashtags in Microsoft To Do to organize and find your tasks more efficiently. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to to-do.office.com. Once the page loads, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will take you straight to your To-Do dashboard where you can see all your lists and tasks. After logging in, look at the left side of your screen where all your lists are displayed. Go ahead and click on any list you'd like to work with. This will open up that list and show you all the tasks within it. Now, here's where the hashtag feature comes into play. Click on the name of a task within that list. Once the task opens, you can simply add a hashtag directly in the task name. For this example, let's use hashtag tutorial. Just type hashtag tutorial right in the task name field. This creates a searchable tag that you can use to quickly find related tasks later, no matter which list they're in. Next, click on another list from the left sidebar to switch to a different set of tasks. This demonstrates how hashtags work across multiple lists, which is where their real power comes in. Once you've opened another list, click on any task to open its details. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an information icon or panel for that task. Click on it to expand the task details. Now scroll down to the notes section of this task. In the notes field, type hashtag tutorial again. This shows you can add hashtags not just in task names, but also in the notes section, giving you even more flexibility in how you organize your work. Now let's see how to actually use these hashtags. At the top of the to-do interface, you'll notice a search bar. Click on it and type hashtag tutorial, then press enter. What happens next is really useful. All tasks that contain that specific hashtag, whether it's in the task name or in the notes, will appear in the search results. This means you can instantly pull up related tasks from across all your different lists without having to manually browse through each one. And that's it. You've now learned how to use hashtags in Microsoft To Do to tag, organize, and quickly search for tasks across all your lists. This simple feature can dramatically improve how you manage related tasks that might be spread across different projects or categories. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.